Hello everyone. Today in this video we will see an new exercise in Alteryx. The objective of this particular exercise is what is the use of unique tool. So basically the unique tool is going to highlight the data which is unique, and if there will be any duplicacy or if there will be any duplicate data, so it can be also highlighted. So this particular tool is having two anchors at the output. One will be a unique and another will be duplicate. So you can find out this particular unique tool at the extreme right corner at the end under the preparation tab over here. So first we have to input the data with the help of input output tab. Just drag this input data tool in the canvas, new workflow, connect with the file. So it is going to redirect us to the data connection window. Click on file, click on select file. Now I will select this particular coffee chain sales Excel file. So this particular file is consisting of only one sheet. So you can see over here there is only one sheet, coffee chain sales. Click on OK. So the preview is available over here. I will show you the file. This is the file. So product type, product, state, type, region, coffee sales. So this is nothing but the headings. So coffee, coffee, coffee. It is written 3 times. So the first it is going to pick up it as unique. So espresso, herbal tea, and this particular tea. And if there will be any null values or if there will be any null rows called, so it will be also considered as unique. So I guess this particular file is also having some null columns. So let us click on run first. So the result workflow will be available at the below side in this particular result workflow area. So over here we can see that the 18 records is being displayed now. So these names are being repeated. Coffee is repeated 3 times, espresso is repeated 4 times, and herbal tea is repeated 3 times, and tea is being repeated 3 times, and last is the null rows as well as this. Null rows are also there. So let us see how to apply the unique tool. Go to this particular preparation tab and click on this particular unique tool, drag it and connect it with input data tool. U stands for unique and D stands for duplicate. Click on this. So in the configuration pane, this columns and the headings which I have told you, that product type, product state, type, region, coffee sales. So as I have shown the data, product type, product state, type, region, and coffee sales. So this is being displayed over here. So for which we have to apply this particular unique tool, we have to select it. Say product type. Click on run. So in this case, the first unique product type is going to be considered, and if there will be any null values, so that will also be considered. So I guess there will be 4 or 5 records. Yeah. So there are 5 records you can see over here. So see, in this particular case, coffee is taken 3 times. So the first one is nothing but unique, and the second and third one is duplicate. A similar way for espresso, herbal tea, and this particular tea. So this is being displayed. So it is being clicked on unique. Now if I have clicked on this duplicate, you can find out how many duplicate product type are there. So these are the duplicate product type. Again, we can click on unique to see the unique data. This file is consisting of some null values, that's why it is also being highlighted. I hope you have understood this particular video, how to use the unique tool. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.